Loading. Okay, so we will review, like I said, no, simple present tense, present continuous tense. We will have subject and object pronouns, possessive adjectives. They sound very technical, pero alam nyo yan, okay? I think itong pinaka-review natin eh. These other ones are very familiar to you. Maybe you just don't know what they're called. And also, the time expressions that are associated with the simple present tense. Okay? Merong time expressions na pang simple present lang, merong time expressions na pang present continuous lang. So that's another clue. Okay? So let us review our vocabulary. Ano ang tawag sa mga taong yan? So this guy is on stage. He's on stage and he's performing. Anong tawag sa kanya? Anyone? Just unmute yourselves, no? Hindi pa ito yung ating conversation. What do we call him?
Performer.
Kung play, what do we call him? Kung play or movie,
Acting. Actor.
actor, yung tao, okay? All right, actor. How about two?
Ballerina.
Ballerina or dancer? Let's see, no, kung anong sasabihin sa atin ng ating list. But that's a good guess. Three?
Truck driver.
Truck driver or driver, we'll see. And then
Instructor.
instructor, probably. Okay, how about five?
Softball player.
Wow. Okay, probably just player for now, okay? Paano mo nalaman na softball?
Binabato po.
I- Paano mo nalaman na hindi baseball? I'm curious, no? Kasi very specific yung softball, eh. Anong,
Dito po kasi ma'am, marami po nagsa-softball kaya
that's why it came to mind. Okay, so I think the book suggests player lang, pero yeah, I agree. It can be a softball player or a baseball player. All right, six.
Singer.
Singer. Seven,
figure skater po.
figure skater or skater. Eight,
Skier.
skier, I think so too. How about nine? Ayan na. Nalabas na. Ano siya?
Swimmer po.
Swimmer. Okay. 10,
Teacher.
teacher. 11,
Clerk.
actually, I don't know. Let's look at the list. Clerk, uh, employee, I don't know. Analyst. And then 12,
Violinist.
violinist. Good. Okay. Typist pala siya. Typist, tama, skier, skater, player daw, instructor. Okay. Okay, good. So, ito na naman tayo sa Are You Busy? Okay? So for now, just repeat after me, everyone. Kahit naka-mute kayo. Am I eating? Remember your intonation, ah. Pag yes or no question, pataas, di ba? Am I eating? And when we do our conversations later, I want you to actually converse with the next person. Hindi yung ano lang, yung nag-recite lang, am I eating? 'Di ba? Walang tono ng nagtatanong. You have to sound like you're really asking a question. And you have to sound like you're answering a question. And by the way, nandito na si Roslyn. Roslyn, here's the link to the workbook. Please update kung sino man yung nasa taas ni Roslyn. You will have to change si Roslyn na ang inyo. So please check your row kung si Roslyn ba ay nasa baba nyo. Ayan, kinorek na ni Angel. Angel, sa'yo si Roslyn. Roslyn, sa'yo si Mika. And therefore, ay sorry, si Mariel pala, nalito na ako. Si Mariel sa'yo, Roslyn. Copy mo na lang yung cell nila. Ayun. Okay, and I think that works. Okay. All right, so please repeat after me. Am I eating? Is he eating? Is she eating? Is it eating? Take note, yung eating parang double T ng butter, di ba? Eating. It sounds like a D, hindi siya eating. Eating. Okay. Are we eating? Are you eating? Are they eating? Answer. Just like last week. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Warm up pa lang to, ha? All right. Next set. I'm eating. So, pag statement, pababa ang intonation. Okay? Pababa. Ano pa yung pababa ang intonation? Yung mga questions na asking for information. Halimbawa, what do you mean? Okay? What's your name? Di ba? Puro pababa yun. Okay. I'm eating. He's eating. She's eating. It's eating. We're eating. You're eating. They're eating. So don't be bothered kasi porque nakikita nyo yung words na separate, no? You will, the more you speak, the more you will naturally connect your words. Hindi po word for word nagsasalita ang mga tao kahit sa Tagalog. Di ba? Di ba? Okay, here's our conversation. Kanino tayo nagtapos last week? Do you remember? Okay, Ed. Ed, is it your turn to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ayun na. And, sino yung partner mo?
Si Ate Jam po.
Jam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ask her. Ikaw si A, Jam. Ikaw si B.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm studying.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Alright, good. So, hawig siya dun sa conversation last week, pero may slight difference dito sa part na to. Diba? Nung sinabi yung I'm doing this, kasi last week, what are you doing? Diba? Ito, ginamit mo yung verb mismo. Okay. Good. So, Jam, please remember the question format, everybody. I-picturean nyo, i-screenshot nyo. Yan ang código nyo. Okay, so Jam, go ahead. Ask the next person.
Che, is Alan busy?
Yes, he is. He is baking. He's baking.
Jam, question ulit. What?
What
Ang sagot niya,
what
baking.
are what
Alam ng
wait lang.
pinag-uusapan.
Baking. What are Alan baking?
What is
What what he is baking?
what is he baking? What is he baking?
What his bake
What
what he
is
is baking?
what
What
is
is he
everyone
baking?
What is he baking?
Is
Yun.
is he
Is he. What is he baking? Sagot.
what is he baking?
He's baking cookies.
All right, that's good. Okay, that's how we will do it. So now another round, another take. Again, Jam, please ask your question. Enjoy the conversation.
Is Alan busy?
Yes, he is. He's baking.
What is he
He's
baking?
baking cookies.
Very good. Okay. Si ano ba yun? Si Che ba yun?
Liz, is Doris
Che,
busy?
Yeah, she is. She's reading.
What is she reading?
She's reading the newspaper.
Okay. Okay, tama naman. Good. But I want the answer to be quicker. Kasi nandyan na po yung mga sagot. Everyone, look at the model conversation. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Alam nyo na kagad yun, no? Pag sinabing you, ang sagot I. You ulit yung question. I ulit, di ba? Pero pag sinabing, is Alan busy? Nandun na yung clue nyo. Is Alan busy? Yes, he is. Hindi naman siya pwede maging, yes, he are, di ba? So, is Alan busy? Yes, he is. Tuloy lang. He's studying. Nandun pa rin yung he. What is he studying? What is he baking? No, you know what I mean, okay? Is Alan busy? Yes, he is. He's baking. What is he baking? He's baking cookies. So umuulit lang yung he is at saka yung baking. 'Di ba? Or is he? So ganun din dito kay Doris. She is she, 'di ba? Okay. So be alert everyone. Nandiyan ang clue. Sa first line pa lang, nandiyan na ang clue. So, sige, question again please, number 2.
Liz, is Doris busy?
Yeah, she is. She's reading.
What is she reading?
She's reading the newspaper.
Good. All right, Liz, number 3.
Hey, Eder, are your parents busy?
Yes, they are. They're painting.
What are they painting?
They're painting the kitchen.
All right. Okay, kaya nyo yan. Ano lang kayo. Baka nag-overthink kayo. All the answers are there. Okay, next question. Number 4.
Andiyan na po ba si Josa?
Pauline, are you here? Parang wala.
Okay po. Hi, Mary. Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I'm writing.
What are you writing?
I'm writing a letter.
Good. Okay. That's how we should answer, no? Medyo complete sentences. Hindi katulad sa Pilipino. Ano susulat mo? Sulat. Diba? What are you writing? I'm writing a letter. O, diba? Complete sentence. Okay, go ahead. 5.
Hey, Angge. Are you and Tom busy?
Yes, we are. We are cooking.
What are you doing?
Cooking. What are you cooking?
Again, from the top. What are you cooking?
Ay, what are you cooking?
Ulit.
Natutulog pa po yung nagtatanong.
Over pa. Sige, go.
Ulit po.
Okay, from the top.
Hey, Angge. Are you and Tom busy?
Yes, we are. We are cooking.
What are you cooking?
We're cooking dinner.
Good. Okay, and good intonation then. What are you cooking? Pababa. Hindi, what are you cooking? Hindi. Pababa. What are you cooking? That's it's asking for information, di ba? Hindi siya yes or no. That's the correct intonation. Okay, next, number 6.
Miss Faye, is Anne busy?
Yes, she is. She's knitting.
What is she writing?
She's knitting a sweater.
Good. Yeah, good. All right, number 7.
Hi, Angie. Is your brother busy? What is he ironing?
Alright, that's correct. That's good. Although medyo mahina yung process niya ha, dun sa sumagot. Anyway, next number.
Laureline, are Mr. and Mrs. Garcia busy?
Yes, they are. They're cleaning.
What are they cleaning?
They're cleaning their garage.
Good. Si Faye ba yun?
Angie po, ma'am. Mahina pa din po ba?
Parang malayo ka. Pero nadidinig ka basta.
Ayan po. Nagloloko po ata yung earphone ko po.
Just letting you know, okay naman for now. Sige, thanks. Next, number 9. Beethoven.
Abby,
In English, they say Beethoven.
Beethoven. Abby, is Beethoven busy?
Yes, he is. He is composing.
What is he composing? What he
He is composing a symphony.
Very good. Next.
Thank you.
So, medyo iba ang conversation, okay? Hang on, Abby, ha? Nagbago lang ng konti yung model ng questions and answers. So, kanina, may ing, di ba? Is he busy? He's cooking. She's knitting. Ngayon, meron ng do and does. Hindi na is and are. Okay? Do and does. So, please repeat after me. Do I eat? Do I eat? Magkadikit yan, ha? Do I, do we, do you. Okay. Again, repeat after me. Do I eat? Do we eat? Do you eat? Do they eat? Does he? Sorry. Does he eat? Does she eat? Does it eat? So the intonation goes up kasi answerable by yes or no, diba? In the dialogue, we will answer yes, I do. Pababa. Yes, I do. So repeat after me. Yes, I do. Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. Lahat yan, do. Pagdating sa singular, at alam ba naman ang singular? He, she, it lang. Does siya. Alright? Let's continue. Yes, he does. Does. Everyone say does. Hindi siya does. Short sound, does. Z sound, does. Okay, again. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Okay, next column. I eat. We eat. You eat. They eat. Which word do I stress? Yung eat. Bakit? Kasi verb siya. Everything else is a pronoun. Again, when we say stress, we say it longer and louder. Longer, ibig sabihin a little slower, di ba? Kumpara sa I eat. Or sa they eat. Okay, let's continue. Kapag ang pronoun ay singular, he, she, it, merong S. Yun ang part, yun ang ginagamit. So, let's say, he eats. She eats. It eats. And if you notice, kapag vowel dito at vowel dito, no, he and eats, mas madaling sabihin ng he eats. Imbes na he eats. Titigil ka pa sa gitna, maglagay ka na lang ng Y. He eats. She eats. Does it work, Angeline? Si Angeline lang ang nakikita ko sa sa aking window. Ayan. Ayan, inurong ko na yung iba pang window para mas makita ko kayo lahat. Ayan. Yay, mas kita ko ang marami. All right. So, who was that? Abby, please ask the next person.
Hey Gail, what are you doing?
I'm practicing the piano.
Do you practice the piano
Yes, I
very
do.
often?
I practice the piano whenever I can.
All right. Thank you. So, let's just look at the model. What are you doing? Present progressive, di ba? Kasi meron kang helping verb and ing. That's the question form. What are you doing? Answer. Still present progressive. May helping verb. Am practicing the piano. Ito yung, pag tiningnan yung tao, ginagawa niya actually. Ora mismo. Meron itong nakapaloob na time phrase na right now. What are you doing right now? 'Di ba? Yun ang ibig sabihin nun eh. Anong ginagawa mo? Hindi naman natin sinasabing, anong ginagawa mo kanina? Anong ginagawa mo? Pag sinabi natin, anong ginagawa mo, yung ngayon mismo yung tanong natin, di ba? Okay. So, yan ang present progressive. Pero pagdating sa second set of question and answer, do you, nagiging do na, ito na yung simple present. Do you practice the piano very often? Pwede nating palitan to ng every day, always, all the time, or never. Pwede rin yun. I never play the piano, di ba? I play the piano always. I play the piano every day. I play the piano every month or every year. As long as it's a permanent thing or regular thing, simple present. That is the question form. Do you like BTS? Do you go to SM? Puro yun simple present. Kasi tinatanong kung regularly nyo ginagawa. Okay. Answer. Yes, I do. I practice. Diba? Simple present. I practice the piano. Pwede nyo ulit palitan, no? All the time. Every day. Every week. Every 30 minutes. Kung ano man yun. I never practice the piano. Okay. Sige. Next person. Ask. Kung sino man yung sumagot kanina, who was it? Please ask the next person now.
Layla, what's Carl doing?
Screenshot nyo muna yung model or picturean nyo. Okay. So again, question.
Layla, what's Carol doing?
She's
Does
watching the
she
news.
watch the news very often?
Yes, she does. She watches the news whenever she can.
Yay! Perfect! So, ganun, ha? So, kailangan abangan nyo. Magiging does she ba to? Does she? Do you? Does he? Do they? Abangan nyo yon. And then your quick answer. Yes. Yes, she does. Yes, he does. Yes, they do. Yes, we do. Okay? Okay, be alert. All right, number 2.
Nori, what's Edward doing?
She's swimming.
Si Edward ay,
Ay,
hindi
sorry
she.
po.
Ulit.
Pwede, sorry po. Okay po, take 2 po.
Go.
Nori, what's Edward doing?
He's practicing swimming.
Does he practice swimming very often?
Yes, he do. He practice swimming every week.
You can just use it whenever he can. Okay.
Okay po.
Pero, yes, he does. Okay? It's yes, he does. Does he? Actually, yung practice sa ano lang yata yan sa piano. Simplihan na lang natin, he's swimming. Ganun na lang. Wala nang practice swimming. All right, again, from the top. Question, please.
Nori, what's Edward doing?
Nori.
I'm sorry, nag-buffer po. Ano po ulit? Paulit po.
Pakiulit, pero wag mo na sabing practice swimming. Sabihin mo na lang swimming.
Nori, what's Edward
Okay po.
doing?
Okay, go ahead.
Does he swim often?
He's swimming. Yes, he does. He swims whenever he can.
Good. All right, next question.
Hi, JM. What are you doing?
I'm studying math.
Do you study math very often?
Yes, I do. I study math whenever I can.
All right, perfect. Okay, alam nyo na. Next. Number 4.
Hi, Suzette. What are Mr. and Mrs. Park doing?
They're exercising.
Do they exercise very often?
They do. They exercise whenever they can.
Very good. Next. Everybody else, I hope you're answering kahit hindi nyo turn ha, para ma-practice. Go ahead, number 5.
Angel, what are you and your friend doing?
We're playing Scrabble.
Do you play Scrabble very often?
Yes, we do. We play Scrabble whenever we can.
Nice. Everybody's sounding smoother now, no? Congratulations. Sige, let's keep it going. Next, number 6.
Roslyn, what's Mrs. Anderson doing?
She's reading poetry.
Does she read poetry often?
Yes, she does. She reads poetry whenever she can.
All right. Thank you. Pero, uulitin natin, Jessa, because hindi pwedeng does she reads. Hindi pwede yon, no? Kapag gumamit tayo nung does or do, or even did, nawawala na yung S. Kahit singular yung subject. Should be, does she read poetry very often? Okay, tandaan nyo yun. Pag may do, does, or did, in question, kahit nga statement form nawawala na yung S. Kasi it becomes a helping verb. Yung S nandun sa does. Wala siya sa main verb. Okay. Go ahead. Again, number 6.
Roslyn, what's Mrs. Anderson doing?
She's reading poetry.
Does she read poetry very often?
Yes, she does. She reads poetry whenever she can.
Very good, ladies. That's perfect. Okay. Next question. Number 7. Say Daniel. Yan ang tamang bigkas niya na. Sa Pilipinas lang siya nagiging Daniel. Daniel. Okay. Go ahead.
Marielle, what's Daniel doing?
He's playing baseball with his daughter.
Does he play baseball very often?
Does he play baseball with his daughter very often? May extra, ano sa'yo? May extra challenge. Again.
Ulit po.
Yes.
Does he play baseball with his daughter very often?
Yes, he does. They play baseball whenever they can. Oh.
You have to answer the question directly. Ang tanong, does he play baseball with his daughter very often? So, it should be, yes, he. Kasi ginamit yung he, di ba?
Yeah, ulit po.
Okay.
Isa pa, Roslyn.
Kailangan flawless. Sorry, but it's for your own good. Okay, again.
Does he play baseball with his daughter very often?
Yes, he does. He play baseball with his daughter whenever he can.
We need an S. He plays. Okay, kasi singular siya. He plays. Walang do or does or did, di ba? So, balik natin yung S doon. Okay, again, sorry. Does he play? Hindi natin papakawalan to. Andito na rin lang tayo. Hindi tayo mag-give up. Go on.
Does he play baseball with his daughter very often?
Yes, he does. He plays baseball with his daughter whenever he can.
Great. All right. Number 8.
Mika, what are you doing?
I'm chatting online with my friends.
Do you chat online with your friends very often?
Yes, we do. We chat whenever we can.
Tama si Marielle. The last answer should be yes, I do. Hindi yes, we do. Kasi ito yung tinatanong lang in this case. So again, second question.
Do you chat online with your friends very often?
Yes, I do. We chat whenever we can.
Yes, I do. I chat. Again.
I chat? Okay po.
I chat online with my friends whenever I can. Okay. Again, Marielle, question.
Do you chat online with your friends very often?
Yes, I do. We chat online with my friends whenever I can.
I chat online with my friends.
My-
With ka eh, di ba? I chat online with my friends. Hindi we chat online with my friends. Parang redundant. So I chat online with my friends whenever I can. One more time. Last question.
Do you chat online with your friends very often?
Yes, I do. I chat online with my friends whenever I can.
Great. Okay. So can you ask the next person a question? So ikaw mag-make up ng question. Kaya blank yan. Isip ka.
Xander, what are you doing?
Handle ka lang mag-make up ng sagot. Oh, Xander, what are you doing?
I'm listening to Ma'am Carmine's seminar.
Do you listen to Ma'am Carmine's seminar very often?
Yes, I do. I listen to
You're on the right track.
I attend Ma'am Carmine's seminar whenever I can.
Nagpalit ka ng verb. You have to use the same verb ng sinabi mo kanina. Yung sagot mo, so what are you doing? Sabi mo, I'm listening. O, ulit. So, panindigan natin yung listening. Kaya mo yan, Xander. Na-stress ka lang ng konti. Again, question please. The first question.
Hello, Xander, what are you doing?
I'm I'm listening to Ma'am Carmine's seminar.
Do you listen to Miss Carmine's seminar very often?
Yes, I do. I listen to Ma'am Carmine's seminar whenever I can.
All right. Great. Okay, congratulations sa ating participants na ginawa yung dialogue this time, no? And also the first one. So congratulations everyone. Nakaikot na ba tayo? Nakaikot na.
Yes.
Okay. So, Xander, it's your turn to ask a question, okay? Ayan, no naman ang sagot ngayon. Okay. So, repeat after me. Ito naman yung no. Okay? So, let's say, no, I don't. So, in this case, yung don't ang ang may stress. No, I don't. No, we don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. Ginagamit ang don't sa I, we, you, they. And look, kapag he, she, it, nandiyan na naman si does. Pero dinugtong natin si not, di ba? Kaya naging doesn't. Everybody, this is a short U sound. Does. Tapos dinagyan ng NT. Z sound, pati. Okay? Doesn't. So let's say, no, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. Yan yung simple present. So, kapag present progressive, remember we need the helping verb, di ba? Yung is at saka are, those are helping verbs. I'm not, and then whatever your verb is. I'm not eating. I'm not sleeping. I'm not listening. Yun yun. No, she isn't studying. No, they aren't playing. Okay. So let's just say I'm not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Okay, Xander. Question to the next person.
Eduardo, do you like to ski?
May static. We didn't hear you.
Eduardo, do you like to ski?
No, I don't. I'm not a very good skier.
Alright. Ang level na, di ba? Ed, ask the next question.
Hi, does Richard like sing? Sorry ulit. Okay. Jam, does Richard like to sing?
No, he doesn't. He's n- he's not a good
He's,
singer.
he's not a very good.
He's not a very good singer.
Alright. Ibig sabihin niyang he's not a very good singer. Parang hindi siya masyadong magaling. Okay, hindi siya masyadong magaling. Okay. Jam, go ahead. Number 2.
Che, does Brenda like to swim?
No, she doesn't. She's not a very good swimmer.
Nice. Swabe ng paswabe. Good job. Next.
Please, do Mr. and Mrs. Adams like to skate?
No, they don't. They're not a very good skaters.
Correct. Except for, alisin natin yung kasi dalawa sila eh, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
They're not very good
They're not.
skiers. Now, yung kasi is like a count of 1. So, dahil skaters sila, wala na, alisin na natin yung A. Okay, again, do
Mr. and Mrs. Adams like to skate?
No, they don't. They're not a very good. Oh my god, sorry.
They aren't. They aren't.
They aren't. Yeah.
Please, do Mr. and Mrs. Adams like to skate?
No, they don't. They aren't very good skater. Ulit.
O sige, sorry. Gawin mo na lang, they're not very good skaters. They're not very good.
Yeah, they're not.
Yeah.
Please, do Mr. and Mrs. Adams like to skate?
No, they don't. They're not.
Kahit alin pareho. Kahit alin pa.
They're not. Okay. Wait. They're not very good skaters.
Idugtong mo siya.
Not very good
They're not
skaters.
very good skaters. They're not very
They're
good
not.
skaters.
They're not very good skaters.
Okay.
They're not very good skaters.
All right.
Okay.
Good. Okay, next.
They're not very good skaters.
Question. Salamat ka kay kay Che.
Thank you, Che.
Right.
Okay. Hey, Eder. Does Arthur like to dance?
No, he don't. He's not a very good dancer.
Alright. Ang clue nandiyan na sa question, no? Does Arthur like to dance? No, he doesn't.
Okay po.
Diba? Okay, one more time.
Thank you po.
Sure.
Eder, does Arthur like to dance?
No, he doesn't. He's not a very good dancer.
Good. Next, number 5.
Andiyan na po ba si Joss or senior pa rin?
May pangapating ba na hindi namin nasama sa list? May newcomers ba? Na wala pang update sa spreadsheet? Sino specifically yung hinahanap natin? Parang wala. Walang nagparamdam. Go, Eder.
Okay po. Hi, Mary. Do you like to type?
No, I don't. I'm not a very good typist.
Nice. Next, number 6.
Hi, Angge. Do you and your friend like to act?
No, we don't. We aren't very good actors.
All right. Good. And 7.
Hello, Miss Faye. Does your grandmother like to drive?
No, she doesn't. She's not a very good driver.
Good. Next question.
Angie, do you like to play sports?
No, I don't. I'm not a very good athlete.
Good. Athlete. Long Ian, everyone. Athlete. It rhymes with feet
Athlete.
and sheep and beach. Okay, good. Next.
Laureline, does Howard like to cook?
No, he doesn't. He's not a very good cook.
Good. Okay, everyone, that name is Howard. Hindi yan Howard. Howard. It rhymes with how. How are you, di ba? Howard, hindi Howard. Word. Okay, one more time. Howard.
Laureline, does Howard like to cook?
No, he doesn't. He's not a very good cook.
All right. Great. Thank you. Who would like to read the passages here? Basahin lang, yun lang. Sino susunod pala? Sino susunod kay Lorilyn?
Si Abby po.
Abby, please read the one on the left. Pause pag may period, ha? Pause between thoughts.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm practicing soccer. I practice soccer every day after school. My soccer coach tells me I'm an excellent soccer player, and my friends tell me I play soccer better than anyone else in the school. I want to be a professional soccer player when I grow up. That's why I practice every day.
All right. Great. Thank you. So, kahit ganyang paragraph lang ang binabasa niyo every day, nag-improve talaga ang sound niyo. All right. Next person. This paragraph.
My sister Anita is practicing tennis. She practices tennis every day after school. Her tennis coach tells her she's an excellent tennis player, and her friends tell her she plays tennis better than anyone else in the school. Anita wants to be a professional tennis player when she grows up. That's why she practices every day.
Great. Thank you, Gail. Sino sunod ni Gail? Sino sunod kay Gail? To the rest of you, you can also practice, okay? All right. Next. Go ahead. The one on the left.
My brother Hector is practicing the violin. He practices the violin every day after school. His music teacher tells him he's an excellent violinist, and his friends tell him he plays the violin better than anyone else in school. Hector wants to be a professional violinist whenever he grows up. I Hector wants to be a professional violinist when he grows up. That's why he practices every day.
All right. Good. Good catch. Next person. Sino na?
Norilyn po.
Okay, go ahead.
Mari po.
Ma'am, I'm not sure how do you read this, ballet or ballet?
Ballet.
Ballet. Okay, thank you po.
Sure. Go ahead.
My sisters Jenny and Vanessa are practicing ballet. They practice ballet every day after school. Their ballet instructor tells them they're excellent ballet dancers, and their friends tell them they dance better than anyone else in their school. Jenny and Vanessa wants to be a professional ballet dancer when they grow up. That's why they practice ballet. They practice every
All
day.
right. Good. So let's look at this paragraph, no? Anong ginagawa nila right now? They're practicing ballet. It's ongoing. If we look at them, that's what they're doing. Pero kapag daily basis ang pinag-uusapan, every day, every Monday, or every Saturday, every week, it's simply they practice. Kung they yung subject mo. Pero kung halimbawa, si Vanessa lang yan, Vanessa practices ballet every day. Okay? So nagmamatter talaga yan. Dito, this can be is or are. This can be practice or practices. Diba? Kapag question form na yan, do they practice? Do they practice? Or does she practice? Does Vanessa practice? Doon nagkakatalo sa do or does. Any questions on simple present versus present progressive or present continuous? Malinaw naman, di ba? I think we had very good examples. We had very good material for practice conversations. Okay. Okay. So let us look at the time expressions. Please look, no? Like I said earlier, pag present, simple present, you can use every day, every week, every weekend, every month, every year. And also times of the day, every morning ba, every night, every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, every Sunday morning, every Sunday afternoon, pwede nyo pagdugtungin yon. And then you have the months. Every January, every March, every summer, pwede rin. Kahit once a week, once a month, pwede yan. Kahit 3 times pa. And then all the time. Pwede rin always and often. Pwede rin never. Never. All right. So, next person. Sino yung huling nagbasa?
Si Nori.
Si Nori.
Yes po.
O sige, Nori, please ask the next person.
Hey JM, who are you calling?
I'm calling my sister in San Francisco.
How often do you call her?
I call her every Sunday evening.
Good. All right. So, JM.
Hi, Suzette. What are George and her... wait lang po ulit. Hi, Suzette. What are George and Herman talking about?
They're talking about their grandchildren.
How often do they talk about them?
They talk about them all the time.
All right. Good. So, you see the model, huh? Who are you calling? Or what are George and Herman talking about? Okay. All right. So, si JM na ba magtatanong? Hindi.
Suzette na po.
Suzette, okay. Suzette, please ask the question.
Ma'am, pwede pong pakita po ulit yung question. Kararating ko lang po kasi.
Okay. Oh, everybody, take a picture or screenshot. Who are you calling? How often do you call her? Or the other one, what are blank doing? What are blank talking about? How often do they talk about them? How often? The second question is how often. And then you just have to listen to the verb that was used. Okay na? All right, Suzette, go ahead.
Angel, who is Mr. Tanaka calling?
He's calling his son in New York.
How often do he call his son?
He calls him every Sunday evening.
All right. Good answer. Pero the question should be how often does Mr. Tanaka? Because again, Mr. Tanaka is only one person, di ba? Parang ano yan eh. Yung S nga, yung does doon sa calls, napunta siya sa does. So, anyway, how often does he call his son? Okay. Again, question please.
Angel, who is Mr. Tanaka calling?
He's calling his son in New York.
How often does he call his son?
He calls him every Sunday evening.
Very good. Thank you. Good job. Next question.
Roslyn, who is Mrs. Kramer writing to?
She's writing to her daughter in the army.
How often does she write?
To
She
her.
writes.
Or to her. How often does she write to her?
Okay. How often does she write to her?
She writes to her daughter in the army all the time.
All right. Good. Next, number 3. Tingnan natin how often do they talk about them? So, ginagamit yung pronoun. Or, how often do you call her? So, use the pronoun. Okay. Next, number 3.
Marielle, what are the students talking about?
They're talking about the teachers.
How
Their
often?
teachers. They're talking about their teachers. Again.
Marielle, what are the students talking about?
They're talking about their teachers.
How often do they talk about them?
They talk about them every day.
All right, good. Next, number 4.
Mika, who is Lenny arguing with?
He's arguing with his landlord.
How often does she argue with her landlord?
He argues with him all the time.
All right, good. Sa Pilipinas, sa atin, yung Lenny, pangalan ng babae, no? Pero sa Americas, at least sa English speaking, lalo na sa US, yung Lenny, nickname ng Leonard. Lenny. So, he yan sa totoo lang. Hindi mukhang lalaki si Lenny. Lalaki talaga si Lenny. Okay. Number 5.
Xander, who is Martha sending an email to?
She's sending an email to to her granddaughter in Orlando.
How often does she send an email to her?
Okay. More naturally, pero tama. Again, how often?
She sends an email to her granddaughter every Sunday evening.
Okay, good. Pero ulitin natin para natural ang ano nyo. Delivery nyo. Question again.
Xander, who is Martha sending an email to?
She's sending an email to her granddaughter in Orlando.
Nawawala po yan.
Just ask the second question. How often?
How often does she send an email to her?
She sends her an email every Sunday evening.
All right, good. Thank you, both of you. And then, Xander, number 6.
Who is Mr. Eduardo? Who is Mr. Crabapple shouting at?
Ulit po, sorry.
Eduardo, who is Mr. Crabapple shouting at?
He's shouting to his employees.
At. Andiyan na po yung preposition natin. He's shouting at.
He's shouting at his employees.
How often does he shout How often does he shout at them?
He shouts to them all the time.
She shouts at. He shouts at. Last question na lang. Last question, Xander, and then respond.
Eduardo, how often does he shout at them?
He shouts at them all the time.
All right, good. And ano lang naman ito, side note lang ito, we pronounce this as crab apple. Crab apple.
Crab apple. Crab apple.
All right. Next, Ed, question number 7.
What are your parents complaining about?
They're complaining about telephone bill.
The telephone bill. The
Telephone bill.
The telephone bill.
Ulit.
Ulit. Game. Question, please.
Parents complaining about?
They're complaining about the telephone bill.
How often do they complain about it?
They complain about it all the time.
All right. Good. Very good. Jam, number 8.
Hi, Che. What is George watching?
He's watching his favorite talk show, TV talk show.
How often does he watch it?
He's watching it all the time.
He watches. Answer.
He watches it all the time.
All right. Good. And then,
Please.
number 9.
Who is Little Red Riding Hood visiting?
She's visiting her grandmother.
How often does he visit his grandmother?
She visits her grandmother every weekend.
Check. Ulit, from the top. Who is
Liz, who is Little Red Riding Hood visiting?
She's visiting her grandmother.
How often does he visit his grandmother?
her? How,
She vis-
how often does she visit?
How often does she visit her grandmother?
Wala nang grandmother. Kasi yung grandmother niya yung her. How often does she visit her?
How often does she visit her?
She visits her every weekend.
Alright, great. Okay, Liz, birthday bonus mo. Mag-imbento ka raw ng tanong, ng who. Who is blanking?
Hey, Eder. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Okay, go ahead. Sandali, sorry nawala. May napindot ako. Okay.
How often do you talk to me?
Well, I talk to you every day.
Alright.
Akala ko may juicy answer.
Okay, tingnan natin kung meron pa ha. Okay, for next meeting na yan. Pero let us have some people. Sinong susunod kay Eder?
Si Mary po.
Mary. Okay, may guide questions dito. It's not exactly prep, just answer the question. So I'll give you an example. I'm Carmine. I'm from Marikina. I work as a volunteer at Cleantech Foundation. I was married, but I am now divorced. I have 3 children. I have 3 daughters and 1 son. What I like to do during my free time is hang out with my children. So sometimes we go to the mall or we eat out or we just stay home and watch something on Netflix. We watch Netflix almost every weekend. Okay? So hindi naman yan parang baril na isa-isa no checklist. So just talk naturally about yourself. So sino yung huli? Si Eder? So sino yung sunod kay Eder?
Si Mary po.
Si Mary. Go ahead, Mary.
Sasagutin ko na ba?
Yes!
Where are you from? I'm from Natividad, Nueva Ecija. Where do you live?
Wag mo nang ulitin yung question. Guide questions mo lang yan. Just give the answers.
I'm from Natividad, Nueva Ecija. I live with my family. I'm single. I like watching K-drama whenever I have free time. I study at... Tama po ba yun?
Yes, go ahead.
I
study
accounting.
Patuloy mo. You study accounting where?
Po, naputol.
Sorry kung naputol. Okay, I study ulit. Tapusin mo na lang doon.
I study accounting.
Hindi ko nadinig. Nadinig niyo ba? matinig yung school niya. Yun ang hinihintay ko eh. I study mass comm at the University of the Philippines. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Pero palaging nabibitin. Tapusin mo naman, Mary.
I study accountancy at Central Luzon State University.
Oy, salamat. All right, next person. Sige, let's listen to the next 5 people and then we'll end there. Tinginan na kaagad, maabot ba? So who's after Mary? So nasabi ko next 5 people, no? So 5 people more. Kung sino man yung sunod kay Mary, lupas na 5 kayo. Go ahead. Thanks, Mary. Si Angelina. May static ka, my dear. Meron. Alisin mo kayo. Ayan, I think it's gonna be good now.
Ayan po.
Lapit ka na lang ng konti sa mic. Pero yes, we can hear you now.
Tinanggal ko na po yung earphones.
Yep.
Okay po. I am from Rizal, Nueva Ecija. I currently live here at my hometown. I am single. I like to what I like to do in my free time is reading books or watching TV. I currently study Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at Central Luzon State University. The people in my family are my parents, and I have a sister and a brother, and we currently live apart from each other now. How do you often watch? I often watch TV during my free time, and I also listen to music during my studying time.
All right. Thank you. I think okay naman yung sinabi mo, we live apart, we don't live together. But I think para mas maintindihan, you can say why. Is it because my sister or brother studies in Manila and something? Something, one-liner lang, just to explain kung bakit.
They currently work in another city.
Okay. That's good. Thank you. All right. Last 3. So, ikaw yung una out of 5, no? Next person. So, 4 more people.
Ay, ako na po yung next.
Abot kay Faye. Go ahead, Faye.
Hi, my name is Faye. I live in Santa Rosa, Laguna. I work at Cleantech. I'm a finance assistant. I'm married. I have 2 daughters. Their names are Jera and Jassy. And then I like to watch Netflix in my free time.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. So, napapansin nyo, no, kapag what do you do normally during your free time? Simple present yon. I watch Netflix. I hang out with my friends. Hindi siya, I'm hanging out or I'm watching. Diba? Okay, go ahead. After Faye, wala si Isa yata. Si Lori na ba? Hindi,
Angie po.
Angie and then Lori. Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Angie. I'm from Pandi, Bulacan. I'm currently living at Pasig, Metro Manila. I'm single. I love watching K-drama movies whenever I have free time. I am studying accounting at College of Mary Immaculate. I have 2 brothers. Their names are Eugene and Cesar, and we live separately because they have their own families. And I often ba? Mali. I watch TV. I love listening to music whenever I do household chores. Ayun. Tama po ba?
Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay. So, ilan pa? Isa na lang ba? Or dalawa pa? Dalawa pa. Thank you for keeping track. So, who comes after Angie? Si Lori. Okay.
Yes. Sasabihin ko. I am Lori Lynn. I'm wait lang po, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Puro I'm na lang.
Eh, gano'n naman talaga.
I am
All the questions are
I
you,
am
'di ba? Where are
Opo.
you from? Where do you live? What do you do? Okay.
I am Laureline and I'm currently living at Bunsuran 2nd, Pandibulacan, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy in College of Mary Immaculate. I am single. Mm, I'm currently living with my parents while my two older siblings they live we live apart. My ate Lynette already have I already had her have nga tama
Has.
has my ate Lynette has
Already has.
already has a family, but we were only 10 steps apart po.
10 steps away.
Yes po. 10 steps away. Yun. Well, my kuya, Lingston po. Oh my. Well, my kuya. Sorry, ma'am. Ano po talaga
It's
siya
okay. If you don't mind it,
Nanginisip.
you ano, 'di ba? You learn how to express it better with the additional feedback. Sige, may kuya.
My kuya Lingston is working and living po at Bukawi. Then, ano pa ba? I play with my nephew and nieces during my free time. Also, I love watching anime on Bilibili and write poems if I have an inspiration to do so.
Okay.
That's
All right. Thank you. So, whenever you want to say a place, like especially in your sentence about your brother, my kuya is in Bukawi. Kasi it's a political jurisdiction, di ba? May boundary yan. So, in yun, hindi siya at. Same for your, I think you said your town or your barangay. Bunsuan too? Ba? May sinabi ka eh. Ayun. So, in din siya. Alright. And when you want to say already, everyone, no, mas maganda kung yung already depende sa verb tense nyo. Kung present, simple present, my sister already has a family. She already works in a bank. So dun yung already. Between the subject and the verb. Kahit past tense nga eh, I already ate. She already called her mom. Okay, doon yung already. Pero, kapag present progressive, isisingit nyo yung already between the helping verb and the ing verb. So, the baby is already sleeping. The seminar has already started. Diba? Sumingit yung already between the helping verb and the main verb. Ang madalas, ginagawa natin as Filipinos, nilalagay natin yung already sa huli. I ate already. Kasi, ini-equate natin yung already sa na. Kumain na ako. I ate already. Let's go already. Okay? So, pag hindi nyo gagamitin, makakalimutan nyo. Pero pag ginamit nyo, matatandaan nyo palagi. Alright, great. Thank you, Lori. One more person? Tama ba? Angeline? Oh, siya yung taga-ganyan ko kanina eh. Sige, who comes after Lori?
Ako po.
Abby. Ayan. Walang kawala si Abby.
I'm from Pandi, Bulacan, and I live here, and I'm single. I like to play with my three dogs when I have free time. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Science of Accountancy at College of Mary Immaculate here in Pandi, Bulacan. I am live streamer and this is my sideline. I have my mama but she's in Dubai now. Her name is Jenny and I am the only child. I love to play music instead of watching TV.
All right. Thank you. So did you say live
Yes
streamer?
po.
So ano yung
Ano
nila-live
po
stream
siya,
mo? I'm just
apps po
curious.
siya. Parang mag-i-spare ka lang po ng time na 1 to 3 hours. Tapos, kung ano po siya, basta online application po siya. Yeah.
Game yung nila-live mo,
No
tama ba?
po. Kumakanta po ko doon tapos nag-e-entertain.
Oh, okay. Nice. Congrats.
Parang Kumu pero ibang application.
Ano yung app na yun? Secret.
Secret po.
Sige. Hindi ko pa nga naintindihan yung Kumu pero I think I have an idea. Bigo? Hindi ko maintindihan ba't yung telepono ko may Bigo. Sabi ko sa mga ano ko, ano ba to? Bakit nagpa-pop up? Sino nag-install? Ako ba? Inan-install ko na. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. At saka bakit ba may maraming babae doon? So, ewan. Anyway, so what did you guys learn today from our conversations? Meron ba kayong natandaan? Alam ko na. Was there something special like that? Na medyo na mas na-memorize nyo na right now? Anyone? Sige na. Help. Sige, Lori. Alam niyo, kaya ako tinatanong yung ganito. Kasi, sometimes, some of us cannot express ourselves well. So, kahit may natutunan sila, kung hindi na espilingin, kung baga, yung learning, dahil hindi na process afterwards, baka makalimutan. But if somebody hears you na, oo, tama siya, yun din yung akin. That helps the other people. So sana mag-share din kayo, okay, madamot? Kasi people can learn from you. You can help others. Sige, Lori, go ahead.
Ano po, yung sa natutunan po, una po yung sa paggamit ng do, does, tsaka ng did. Na kapag po may verb na kasunod, tapos singular po yung tanong, okay na po na wala po yung S since nandun na po sa unahan po ng, doon na po sa does yung S niya. Common niyo po kasi.
Actually, pag may do, does, and did ka na, kalimutan mo na yung S sa verb. Diba? Yun. Ngayon, kung singular siya or plural, dun magmamatter kung do or does ang gagamitin mo. Dun lang, sa do or does. Kung singular, does. Kung plural, do. Ngayon, sa did, doesn't matter kung singular or plural. Kasi past tense yung did. Did is past of do and does. Okay? Yun.
Okay. Tsaka po, ma'am, yung yung kasasabi niyo lang po ng paggamit ng already.
Ayun. All right. Good. Thank you for sharing, Lori. How about the others? Yes, Nori. Ayan, the Lori and Nori twins. Go ahead.
Ayun po, ma'am. Yung pong sa ano din po, yung sa do, does, and did. Normally po kasi 'pag sa writing sobrang conscious po natin sa singular and plural po. So, parang common na po sa'tin na tama po natin gagamitin yung do, does, and did when we are writing po. So, pagka po kasi tulad ko po 'pag nagsasalita, minsan po napagpapalit ko po yung do and does. So, big help po yung chart niyo po kanina. Then also, pagka po kasi nagsusulat 'di ba po pagka sa pandinig po natin minsan 'pag maganda po siya pakinggan when it comes to grammar, minsan po tumatama po siyang gano'n. So, gano'n po kasi ako nung pagka nagsusulat po. So, when speaking po minsan kaya po napapagpalit-palit ko po sila kasi parang ang ganda naman po sa pandinig ko, so tama naman po siguro 'to. So, yun po medyo may realization po.
Mahirap na maging guideline yon. Alam ko merong guideline. And thank you for sharing. Alam ko merong guideline that goes around. If it sounds right, it must be right. Nako, that's the worst piece of advice that you can follow. If it sounds right, it means you're not sure. Ibig sabihin, you have to look it up. Okay? Do not trust you. If it sounds right, it must be right. Okay. Meron pa? Thank you, Nori. No more? Ang konti natin ngayon, no? I think mas nakarami kayo ngayon kasi mas konti ngayon. Anyway, we'll continue again on Wednesday. Okay? Nag-enjoy kayo so far, di ba? We'll continue to have these practice conversations. Level up natin. May babing kasama si Lori doon. Ako may babing kasama dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung bunso ko. He's 12. His name is Griffin. Sige na. Go away. Alright. So, okay na? May question ba? Wala? Alright. So, I'll see you on Wednesday. 3 o'clock ulit. Kung wala pang link na maipadala si Jervin, i-remind